Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. So students, today I am going to teach you English literature from your NCERT main book, Beehive, the poem, chapter number 10, The Slumber Did My Spirit Seal by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth, he is one of the renowned and popular poets in the field of English literature. And I hope you have heard the name of William Wordsworth, very popular and renowned name. So guys, you open your notebook and note down the date of the poet. He was born in April 7, 1770. April 7, 1770. Died in April 23, 1850. 1850. So guys, this poem, A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal, this poem consists of only 2 stanzas. But through these 2 stanzas, the poet has revealed his feelings with an outstanding manner. You can say that poet has expressed his feelings, intense grief, despair, or sorrow after losing his beloved Lucy, because Lucy is dead. She is no more. Here, the poet has not mentioned the name of Lucy, but Wordsworth, whenever, most of his poem I am talking about, he has written poems where he has lost his beloved. That means she is Lucy. Because in real life, Lucy, she was Wordsworth's lady love. She was Wordsworth's beloved. That is why most of his poems, Wordsworth poems, those are the remembrances of Lucy. So here also only through 2 stanzas the poet has revealed his feelings. And this is an elegy of the poet. Guys, you note down elegy, E-L-E-G-Y. E-L-E-G-Y, elegy. Elegy means a sorrowful poem dedicated to someone. A sorrowful poem dedicated to someone. This is an elegy of Wordsworth. It is dedicated to his lady love, who is no more in this world, Lucy. So guys, open your book, chapter number 10, The Slumber Did My Spirit Seal. Slumber, a deep sleep. The meaning of slumber is deep sleep. A deep sleep has sealed the poet's mind. So let us start. A slumber did my spirit seal. I had no human fears. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthly years. After departing from Lucy, now I have no fear of death. I am not at all scared of death, because my life was Lucy, and Lucy is snatched away by the nature. Because most of Wordsworth's poem, Wordsworth has presented Lucy as a child of nature. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. It is one of the famous poems of Wordsworth where he has presented Lucy as the child of nature. And at the age of 3, Lucy died. That is Wordsworth's imagination about Lucy. He has presented Lucy in different forms, sometimes a child, sometimes a mature lady, sometimes an adolescent, sometimes 18 plus, sometimes filled with youth. So here Wordsworth, he says that my beloved, she is departed, she is no more, she is dead, and that is why I have no fear of death, because I have lost my precious thing, and that is Lucy, or my beloved. So that is why at present people do get scared of death, and that is the ultimate truth. Everybody gets scared of death. But here the poet says that I am not getting scared of death because my beloved is already, she is dead. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthly years. Now she has become a part of nature. She has gone to a different world. She is no more in this world where I am existing. Lucy has got a different world now. She has become inhabitant of a different world. And what is that world? No motion has she, second stanza, no motion has she now, no force. She neither hears nor sees. Rolled round earth's diurnal course with rocks and stones and tree. Now Lucy, she has become a part of nature. At the earth revolves the sun. Lucy is also, she has become a part of nature. Stone, trees, natural aspects, hills, mountains, Galaxian bodies, because she has lost the human structure. She is no more human. Her soul is there. And Lucy's soul is eternal. The poet wants to say, after death, Lucy has become eternal. But she is not in human structure. Her eternal soul, now it is evolving. It has become a natural phenomenon now. She has become the part of nature and following the daily routine. That is why rolled around Earth's diurnal course. Earth revolves the sun daily, then after 24 hours, night comes, then sun rises. Lucy, she has become the part of the same diurnal course. But the poet says, I am filled with grief and despair. I am in a state of trance. I am in a state of trance. Trance means illusion, dream, because I cannot accept Lucy's death. Still, I cannot understand that Lucy, I cannot realize that Lucy is no more in this world. I am in deep sleep. I am in slumber, and this slumber has sealed my brain. Only that thought comes that Lucy is departed from me and she has gone to a different world and she has become a part of nature and she now evolving just as the earthly phenomena. Earthly means the Galaxian phenomena. So that is why the poet wants to say or reveal. He has revealed his feelings. He has revealed his intense grief, his despair, his anguish to the lines of the poem. And this is an elegy of William Wordsworth. Hope you have understood these two lines. So guys, today